Hey guys, thanks for joining me. My name is Shashank Fatkure and I am a WordPress developer. I am from India. I've got students like 8,932 students. I have two courses and reviews. We will be creating a professional music WordPress website for artists, bands, and studios. We will be starting with the introduction, then we will be working with WordPress, adding the domain, buying the hosting, and installing the WordPress website. After that, we will be starting with the WordPress updating and install some of the basic plugins that are necessary for the WordPress. Then we will start with the music website, and let me show you the music theme that I have got. I've got the professional music theme named as Kentha Visionary WordPress music theme. This is Kentha, and we have some most advanced music player with albums. Okay. You can also buy your music. We have video backgrounds, music, events, podcasts, as well as the booking and contact us pages. This is album release book. You can buy your music with different platforms, as well as you can use WooCommerce for internal WooCommerce e-commerce platform. This is an artist page with different tabs. You can request availability of the artists with their forms. You also have the functionality like podcasting, video backgrounds, lineup. This is an event page. You can buy the tickets. In the events page, we have multiple demos that we can try. These are all the different demos, and this is the WordPress theme. So let's get started with the WordPress designing. I'll see you in the course.